Hello everyone, in today's episode I will show you how to capture a voice during the phone calls. Here's how to do it. Firstly, we have to power up our headphones with this button over there. As you can see, the light is on. After that, we have to go into this app, click connect and wait a few minutes. As you can see, we are now connected with our headphones. To capture a voice, we have to go to the System tab. And as you can see, capture voice during a voice call. There's an option over there. We have to turn this on. We can both switch it off and on. Here's how to do it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos.